taking inspiration from professional athletes who they've got game day, right? And 50,000 people plus are there live watching you, plus millions on television, right? That's kind of stressful. But that's game day, and then they have non-game days, right, in between. There's their on season versus their off season. So they have these periods to kind of catch their breath, like when you're like, after the big intense period. As corporate professionals, it's like game day every day. It's like you go from one fire to the next. So you're always in this heightened state. And so what I encourage you to think about is having this time to catch your breath in your day. And there are, going back to kind of the three aspects of the stress response, one is sometimes we make things more complicated than they need to be. That's something I work with on my own self, where something happens and I could choose to get really kind of agitated about it, or I could choose to accept that this is kind of normal course of business, normal course of life, and I'm not going to get too frazzled by this, right? So there are things that we can do also mentally to help with this natural flow to use stress to our advantage. The words we tell ourselves shape our reality. Our thoughts impact our feelings impact the words we use, which impact the actions we take, and that impacts our results. We absolutely create our reality. We create our reality. If you're telling yourself that you can't do something, you are correct. A fixed mindset would say, I can't do this. A growth mindset would say, I can't do this yet. Okay, that three-letter word makes a huge difference. So seeing the potential of what you can do is critical.